Myself, JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BSc B.Ed, ZBC, 5th semester. We will discuss the topic imprinting, behaviors. Imprinting is a type of behavior that includes both learning and innate components and is generally irreversible form of learned behaviors closely associated with instincts. Imprinting is distinguished from other types of learning by a sensitive periods or limited phases in an animal's development. That is the only time when certain behaviors can be learned. A rapid learning process by which a newborn or very young animals establish a behavior patterns of recognition and attraction to another animals of its own kinds or to a substitute or an object identified as the parents. Imprinting behaviors. In this plates in birds. It was first reported in domestic chickens by the 19th century emeritus biologist Douglas Spalding. It was rediscovered by the early ethologist Oscar Hanorth and studied extensively and popularized by his disciple Conrad Lorenz working with greylag geese. Organism will acquire a specific behaviors in an appropriate stimulus is experienced during a critical periods, limited time intervals of life of animals, usually within a few hours after birth, between 13 to 16 hours shortly after hatching. An example of imprinting is young geese following their mothers. See these plates. Imprinting. Conrad, Conrad, Conrad Lorenz showed that when baby geese spent the first few hours on their life with his with him, they imprinted on him as their parents. Proximate causes means imprinting's behavior. Young geese follow the imprint on their mothers. Proximate causes during an early critical development stage, the young geese observe their mother moving away from them and calling. Ultimate causes an average geese that follow and imprint on their mothers receive more care and learn necessary skills and thus have a greater chance of surviving than those that do not follow their mothers. And conservation biologists have taken advantage of imprinting in programs to save the whooping cranes from extinction. Young male white-crowned sparrows learn their song by listening to their fathers. A bird raised in isolation will have an abnormal song. If he hears a recording of the song during a critical periods, he will learn it even the local dialect. He can only learn the song on his species. Okay, and the next Thank you, students.